Today I'm not recording. Today I'll be recording a video. This video is going to be based on something I've been doing chapter 6. Chapter 6 will be teaching how to style a profile. I'm joking. How to style it up using CSS. That's what I'm going to be doing. So CSS, just style. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm going to be doing, man. So we've all got our own individual style. One person might sport tuxedo and another might feel most at home in white jeans and a white shirt. Styles come and go. What looks great today might look silly tomorrow. So changing clothes in our personal style gives us the freedom to change the way we look, things that make people themselves if they don't change when they change clothes. So it's possible to change the way a web page looks without changing the content structure of the web page. Language used to change a web page's style is called Cascading Style Sheets. This chapter will show you what CSS is, right, and how you can use it to give your web application style. They dress up your web page by adding colors, borders, backgrounds, and varying sources to elements. CSS can change where elements are positioned on the screen and can even control special effects such as animation, So Douglas, right, is a JavaScript robot. Pretty much in this project, you might find ourselves to an HTML robot named Douglas. We just got Douglas delivered from the robot factory this morning. His JavaScript skills are outstanding. He doesn't need much maintenance, just a new variable to play with every now and then, and he tells good jokes. The problem is he looks a bit boring. Sure, he's got some nice blue eyes, or we're the white people here, don't you? And he's, I love JavaScript t-shirt, it's pretty cool, but he just doesn't look like the fun, goofy robot that Douglas to be, so let's just give him a mixed style of his own. Okay, so, chapter 6, we got HTML, right? So HTML, what you're gonna do is shift, exclamation mark, enter. As soon as you press that combination, then this is going to be the output. This is what you're going to see. So you want that. So you press shift, exclamation mark, enter, then you're going to get this out. Then what you need to do is within the body element, what you want to do is you div ID robot, div ID head, class, ID nose, ID mouth. That's what you want to do, man. So ID robot. So this is what you want to do. So you're going to create div ID robot, div ID head, div class I, ID right eye, div class I, ID left eye, ID nose, ID mouth, div ID class, ID right arm, body. I expect JavaScript main. Oh man. So the reason why these are within the div element for head, div ID element for head, because you want these elements, these classes and IDs within the head. So you put them, so we actually case them within the div ID for like head. So you got that, you got class arm, ID right arm, div class arm, ID left arm, div ID body. So yeah, all of this, man. So all of that, right, is going to help us with what you have here. So body, fonts, family, Arial. So this is for like the writing I love, I enjoy, or I respect JavaScript. P is the font size. P is like it's short for paragraph. So this is the font size for the string that you've got here. I respect JavaScript, man. Then the reason why we got a dark side of the hashtag is because dealing with ID element, not a class element, so it's just singular. So I background color, Actually no, dot I is plural, man. dealing with the class. So we got dot instead of hashtag, because dealing like a class, man. And that class is makes up for everything that you've done. Background color green with 30, height 30, border radius 50. That arm, class for right arm and left arm. Background color, position, top width, height. That's what you have. Width, height, border radius, border background color, position, left top, border top. Right, so width 30, height 30, border radius 30, background color green, position absolute, left 33%, top 5%, border top, black 15px solid. So right eye, so hashtag is like hashtag right eye singular, so position absolute, left 20%, top 20%, background color dark golden rod. Hashtag left eye, position absolute left 6%, top 20%, background color dark red, position absolute left with 5, top 50, root 10, height 10, background color dark olive green. There's a map. So same thing. So these are the properties, the key value pairings, or you never call it that because you're not in Java yet. So these are pretty much the properties that we're using for our robot's properties. Body, position absolute, left 25, top 35, with 45, height 55, background color black, 69 cents, padding top 30px, border bottom. So it's pretty much like right arm, position, left arm. Position absolute left 21%, background color blue, border bottom, green. Left arm hashtag person ID, position absolute right 3%, width 27%, height 4%, background color green, border right, don't worry, my eyes are fine, I got 20/20 vision, don't worry, background color blue, border right, then border right green. So you can see now, I just need to open everything up, reveal in File Explorer, reveal. Come on now. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, it's Frankenstein. So as you can see, background color from my left arm is blue, then the border right, it's gonna be green, as you can see here. It's my left arm, border right. Same thing with my right arm, border bottom, green, the background color blue. So as you can see here, same thing here for my body, man. For my body, black, background color blue, it's pretty much all these properties, mouth, green yellow, as you can see it's green yellow, then for nose, dark olive green, as you can see, left eye, dark red, right eye, dark golden rod, head, black, top, and then with the green face, which hashtag 1DDFOC, arm, background color white. So the default, because we're doing classes, if you have to remove the applications for like our IDs for right arm, left arm, our default is going to be white background color, and then same thing for our eyes, our default color for eyes would be green. So yeah, and then you open your JavaScript and you can actually like see, then you can actually see div as like right arm, there's our ID left arm, background, div head, is that. So these actually, man, so this opens up here, title, robot. So this is actually the whole HTML code. So this is the code that we're dealing with, man. So yeah, our console doing nothing because we don't have console log, sources, network. So network is actually running. There's no throttling, no need to local metrics. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So yeah, so that's how you work on like a robot. So pretty much got everything. So same thing as it's described in the book. So the element selectors, clear selectors, right eye, left eye. And I suggest that if you guys really want the book that we're dealing with, I suggest you buy JavaScript for Kids for Dummies.pdf. I suggest that you get that book, download the PDF for that book actually. The 4th edition. Yeah. I suggest you get that one. Property, pretty much everything that I was actually describing here. Sizing everything, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I don't know what else you guys want from me. Come on. I'm not doing to you guys, man. I don't know what you want from me, man. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, and until next time, take care of your blessed things. Thanks.